Hello Numberblocks fans! Welcome to my YouTube account, Super Creating Numberblocks Zone. In this video, I will show you how to rebuild the Numberblocks 0 to 100 part 2, which means 11 to 20. Anyways, let's begin the Numberblock 11. Numberblock 11 is made of 10 plus 1, which means 10 white blocks and 1 red block. Numberblock 11 loves to play football. Numberblock 11 is also the prime number, which means she can make the rectangle by stand tall and lay down. Numberblock 11, we can recognize her by one big red eye and one small eyes. Well, Numberblock 11 has the number block 1 on top, and here, and don't forget her number link. But also I include my own football. So here are finished Numberblock 11. For the next up character is Numberblock 12. Numberblock 12 is made of 10 white blocks and 2 orange blocks, which means she's made of 10 plus 2. Numberblock 12 is a super rectangle. Numberblock 12 invents a super rectangle because Numberblock 12 can make 6 or more rectangles. Numberblock 12 has 6 rectangles, which means she makes a rule that if someone who can make 6 or 7 rectangles means you are the super rectangle. And don't forget her number link. And here are finished Numberblock 12. For the next character, which is the unluckiest number in the Numberland, is Numberblock 13. Numberblock 13 is made of 10 white blocks and 6 yellow blocks. Numberblock 13 is the unlucky number because if someone call his name 13, his 3 yellow blocks falls off. That's why he rather says 10 and 3. But sometimes everyone, including him, which is Numberblock 13, forget, and then he says 13. So that's why 3 yellow blocks falls off. It's because when he calls his name, everything separates him into numbers. And don't forget his number link. And here are finished Numberblock 13. For the next character is Numberblock 14. Numberblock 14 is made of 10 white blocks and 4 green blocks, which means he's made of 10 plus 4. But not all, he's made of 2 7s or 7 2s. That's why Numberblock 14 has 2 rainbow eyebrows. Numberblock 14 is also the skater in the Numberland. Numberblock 14 loves to skate, and he splits into numbers. It are 2 7s. Numberblock 14 is also in the Rainbow Lucky 7 Club. Oh wait, I also have the accessory from the set, which means a skateboard and his helmet. And we popped the numbering in his helmet. And here are finished Numberblock 14. For the next character is Numberblock 15. Numberblock 15 is made of 10 white blocks and 5 light blue blocks. Numberblock 15 is made of 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 and plus 5 because Numberblock 15 is the 5th member of the step shape. That's why Numberblock 15 has the step shape mask. Numberblock 15 loves to tell everyone how to do something in secret ways. And we need 4 faceplates. Numberblock 15 is made of 3 5s or 5 3s. And don't forget her number link. And here are finished Numberblock 15. For the next character is Numberblock 16. Numberblock 16 is made of 10 white blocks and 6 indigo blocks. Numberblock 16 is made of 4 4s, which means she's a square. Numberblock 16 is the 4th member of the Square Club from the, with Numberblock 1, 4, and 9. Numberblock 16 also can make the rectangle, but she loves to be a square. Numberblock 16 loves the square dance and the square party. We need only 4 faceplate, so we can recognize her by 2 square eyes. And don't forget her number link. And here are finished Numberblock 16. For the next character is Numberblock 17. Numberblock 17 is made of 10 white blocks and 7 rainbow blocks. Numberblock 17 loves to paint. That's why we see his 10 blocks has so many splats, because he's a little bit messy. And we can recognize him by 10 white blocks and 7 rainbow blocks on the top. So that's why we need Numberblock 17 needs 10 faceplates. Do you know why? It's because Numberblock 17 has the splats, because he's a little bit messy. Including blue splats, yellow splats, indigo splat, violet splat, red and green splat, and orange splat, because 17 is made of 10 and 7, which is represent that 7 in 10 blocks. And don't forget his number link. Here are finished Numberblock 17. For the next app character is Numberblock 18. Numberblock 18 is made of 10 white blocks and 8 pink blocks. Numberblock 18 is a super rectangle too, but faster, because Numberblock 18 loves to speed. That's why Numberblock 18 loves to race with Numberblock 24. Numberblock 18 has 6 rectangle like his sister 12 too. Numberblock 18 can be 1 by 18, 2 by 9, 3 by 6, 6 by 3, 9 by 2, or 18 by 1. Numberblock 18 has 2 faceplate, 1 white faceplate for his eyes and eyebrows, and another pink faceplate is for his mouth. And here are finished Numberblock 18. For the next app character is Numberblock 19. Numberblock 19 is made of 10 white blocks and 9 gray blocks. That's why we can recognize her by two crazy shape eyebrows with black eyebrows and black edges, because 19 has 9 in 10 blocks. Well, number block 19 is the one-off number block in the Numberland, because number block 19 cannot make any rectangles, but she loves to make crazy shape. But she never mind if she can't be a super rectangle, like an elephant, a spiral, a teapot, or so on. And we need 4 faceplates. Well, I don't know why number block 19 has the right one is white, but white isn't gray. But anyways, here are finished number block 19. Don't forget her number link. And here are finished number block 19. For the last character but not least is number block 20. Number block 20 is made of 20 peach blocks, which means 2 tens, because number block 2 is orange, and that's why number block 20 has 20 peach blocks, because 20 is made of 2 tens or 10 twos. Number block 20 has the face similar like number block 2. Number block 20 is because number block 20 is made of 2 tens or 10 twos, but there's one difference is he has eyebrows, a bow tie, and a top hat. Number block 20 loves to dance like number block 2, but he's a super dancer in the Numberland. Number block 20 is also a super rectangle because he's made of 1 by 20, 2 by 10, 4 by 5, 5 by 4, 10 by 2, 10 by 2, or 20 by 1. And we need only 6 faceplates with 5 stickers, including the bow tie. And also, number block 20 has the accessory top hat. We put the top hat, which is fit on the Numberblocks Mathlink Cubes. And don't forget his number link. And here are finished number block 20. So here are finished of the number blocks in part 2. Let's repeat together. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. So this is the end of this video of the rebuilding number blocks 0 to 100 part 2. So if you like it, you can click like, subscribe, and click the bell icon to make more videos. So goodbye everyone, see you in the next video.